In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize fonts in Framer. If you're wanting to add a personal touch to your website by using your own fonts, you've come to the right place. Let's get started on this step-by-step guide to uploading and using custom fonts in Framer. First things first, you need to open the Framer application. Once you have it up and running, navigate to the project where you want to apply your custom font. If you already have your site loaded, that's perfect. If not, take a moment to open it up. Seeing the site helps contextualize why and where you want to introduce some new typography. Now that your site is in view, direct your attention to the elements on your page. Click on the specific element where you want the customized font to appear. This could be a text box, a heading, or any part of your site that supports text. Selecting the element is important because it tells Framer exactly where to apply the changes you're about to make. Once you've clicked the element, look towards the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find a comprehensive menu that allows you to edit various attributes of your selected element. Among these options, one of the most crucial is the Font section. Click on it. This section will give you the flexibility to adjust text appearance, which of course includes the ability to switch to a custom font. Now you'll see there's an option for selecting a font. You'll want to choose Custom from this list. Selecting Custom will unlock the ability to upload fonts that are not part of the standard options in Framer, allowing you to achieve that unique look you're striving for on your website. Scroll to the bottom of the font selection area where you'll notice an option to upload a new font. This is a pivotal step in the customization process. Click on the Upload button. After clicking, a new dialog window will open up, prompting you to locate the font file you want to use. Make sure that you have the font file saved on your computer and ready to be uploaded. If you don't have it yet, you might need to download or transfer it to your computer from another device. Once you've navigated through your files and located your chosen font file, go ahead and select it. This action will upload the font to Framer, attaching it to the site element you initially selected. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded and applied a custom font to your project in Framer. With this customization, you can ensure that your website truly reflects your brand or personal aesthetic. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and you feel confident in diversifying your typography on Framer. Thank you for watching and happy creating.